I'm going to be showing you how to wash silicone squishies. And testing out different methods as well. Okay, so before we go into that video, please subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like to help me out, and sharing is caring. So let's go on to the video. Okay, so I have a really pretty dirty squishy here, and I got some warm water, and I have some just plain dish soap on my finger, and I'm just gonna rub him all over with some dish soap. Now for the water, and I'm gonna baptize you in the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Down you go, and we're gonna just start just kind of squishing him around the water, and just kind of just rubbing him, giving him good rub-a-dub-dub, and look, they float, and out of the bath he goes. And now here it is, all clean. I just put it in the water, just kind of give it a good scrubbing with my fingers, and it's all clean, and the texture is very nice to kind of feel a wet silicone squishy. I mean, unbelievable texture. And now that it is air dried, it's kind of sticky to the touch because we washed all of its talcum powder off. So I'm going to take some baby powder, and you can use cornstarch too if you want, but baby powder has a really nice smell to it, so I'm using baby powder. I'm going with baby powder because it smells good. And make sure you cover the whole squishy, and now I'm going to take out this kind of fanned out brush, and I'm just going to just dust off the excess powder just so it gives it a more of a clean look. And here it is, the before and after. And so yes, I am very happy with the way that this turned out, and the squishy is very awesomely clean and wonderful. But if you do not want to wash them and your squishy is not that dirty, I'm going to take this plate right here. This is what I usually do, and I just put some baby powder on the plate, and I place all of the squishies on the plate, and I kind of just rub them in the baby powder, and it takes off any maybe excess fuzz or hair or anything, and it's actually a really quick way to wash them if your squishy is not that dirty. Oh, and I've heard somewhere maybe to use tape. Do not use tape. It does not work. I hope this helped you on washing your silicone squishies, and it saves you money somehow. And when they're on this plate, I just can't help it. Wait. Comment some kind of flower emoji if you made it to the end of this video right now. Okay. As we know, April 1st is Easter, so I want to do throughout March like maybe 4 designs or 3 designs, 3 or 4 Easter designs leading up to Easter. Leading up to Jesus' resurrection on Easter Sunday. That's what I wanted to say. Something's attacking my window. Spring! I have great things in store for spring. Someone's trying to get through my window. I'm being robbed. Ah! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. There might be a video here to click on, a video way over there. I'm just saying maybe a video here, 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 and here, and here. Goodbye.